I had to. I had to. All right. I have to tell you guys what happened. I have to tell you guys what I saw. I have to tell you guys my experience. I listen. I had to. Actually, Bandle Nufana Kakamalo, welcome to more Zion Music. I know you guys are expecting me to react to music, but listen, Joba Inchegu, this channel relates to Zion. Alright, so this one is gonna this today's video is gonna be a little bit different. We're not only just gonna react to the things that happen, but I have to tell you guys stuff. And I forgot some. Ah, anywho, hey guys, Sunday I was fellowshipping the cross. Yeah. Hey. Good. Watch this video. Exactly. So now, I think Lamayama Vidabasas will upload. And once they upload those videos, I will most definitely post it. Now, sometime back, uh, I got a DM on TikTok, right? So I got a DM from TikTok, Uput Musa. Put Musa contacts me, and then he's like, Fundus was across. He would love to have my numbers and we can talk. I'm cool. I give him my numbers. A homie calls me same time. Yo, mfethu. Hey, mfethu, that's lapha cross by Aktanda. And across Aktanda, they follow you a lot and they watch your videos. In my head, I'm like, nah, he's probably lying. I'm not gonna lie to you. In my head, I'm like, nah, le yang shashaya le, nah, yikho yonke le nto le. I understand. And mind you, I mean, I don't really get that often, right? So I don't. He's like, oh, I'm Veto Crossy. I know. Nah. We love you. We follow you. The things that you say, you speak positively. You speak high of our church. I'm like, I cool. I'm like, I'm grateful as well. Yeah, but I'm grateful that you guys like what I'm doing. And honestly, I do it out of love. And job and should all right. Cool. And then some time pass, and then he says to me, "Hey, daughter, his secretary to secretary general would like to have your numbers." I'm like, "What?" And then he's like, "Yeah." I'm like, "Yeah, no problem. Give him." Secretary inbox. Same thing. Same exact thing as besikhuluma ubhuti Musa sesikhuluma isecretary umam Ntonto. Now, same thing. Oh man, we love what you're doing. We are grateful for such a positive feedback. We are grateful that you are doing what you're doing and you speaking highly of our church. And I'm like, is she catfishing me? What's happening? Yeah, well, we must meet up. We must do this. We must do that. I'm like, hey yo, this can't be real. They like, we want to give you a USB. In my head, I'm thinking just the normal USB. Uh-uh. Where is this thing? Now, guys, look at this. You see this? This looks like a wallet nyana to put a cat lako in. Right? Look at this. And they are selling these. I ain't Cross has dropped an album, right? The name of the album is Nge Ngomusa. Yeah, Ngomusa. Ngomusa wako. Something. I'll read it. Oh, Ngomusa guys is Zulu Nasankoba say sorry. But it got album is they selling AMA CDs at $100 and they selling USB at 150. I would say go for the USB because more fun than I saw. I don't use DVD no more. But just go for both. Right now, you're able on dating. You check it out. So the name of the album is Ungutiko Nomusa. Now, look at this. I want you to look at this. Right? Look at this. Look at this. Nah, it's a whole USB. Look at this. Just look. And you're probably wondering, Jupiter USB go. Who made this? Kras, Ngobuza, who made this? This is by far one of the best presentation a USB I have ever seen. This. It has all the information, right? So, okay, well, not all the information and the numbers as to where you can get this, but I will post a video on my TikTok as soon as I get the information as to how you can access this, how you can get this, right? Now, this is a USB, consists of 12 songs. USB across. Ay, ngifike nami lapha ngishaya blue yami. Ngifike ngilend. Oh, ngihambe nobhuti. Yeke omunye ubhuti, hayi sihambe nobhuti sisiyele. Mind you, when I got there, we get there. One thing about me, I'm a loner, guys. People that know me will tell you. Ngiyakwazi ukuhlala engiyi-one. I'm not that person. I don't even view myself as anything. I don't. I just never do that. Yabo. Ngimfonele ngithi no sesilendile. And then he's like, I'm coming. And then Masagat, he comes to me, hey, no, people greet me. Now, about Pass Across, they have such a busy life. Some people were like, but they're like, we know you from somewhere, but they were not sure. Bang lentuzana. Oh, put magang introduce at ay, ulo reactor lapha ku YouTube, what not and what not. Oh, yeah, put the kunjani. See a phakathi. You know me being me. Hey, sanibonani. Hey, ngingene ngihlale. Ngingene. Oh, use the bathroom first. Ngiye eklasini. Mafika nje eklasini, ngibolisa abantu kahle. And then a lady comes to me. She's like, I thought you looked big. I'm like, no, I'm skinny. I'm a nice slender guy. And he's like, oh, I'm so happy to finally meet you. Oh, I love your videos. Nkosi yami. She kept holding and hugging me. I'm there, and I'm like, yo, people know me. Yeah, I understand. He's like, yo, Putuami, yo, Mtanami. I was in my head. I'm like, what? Yeah, done. I shut. Now I'm talking to we talking. They are the most welcoming people I've met in a long time. I understand. They see good I'm not from here. Whoever could recognize me that at that time when I came, they could. But others did not. But they were just talking to me. People are cracking jokes. And then there's there's a tall man like Anglazi like. It's a tall man. Mawubheka amavideo kakhulu wase-Cross. Hlezi agwaba. Very tall man. He gets there, he greets everybody. Hey, sharp. Tell me why. I wasn't even expecting. I don't know why. I wasn't even expecting. He starts singing. Dude can sing. Listen, dude can sing. Because I'm still taken aback. So I'm standing there and I'm, mind you, right? Hey, bayacula. This Ubunobaba begame diagonal to me. He's like, give me how you want to futhi phela. Laba bezayo bazokuthola ngendlela. Cool. I go for it. Futhi. There was a man I was talking to, kunobaba bengikhuluma naye. That's why mangithi man. Yeah, sometimes ngesilungu yabo. Baba besikhuluma naye. La baba uyafutha. He's there. And then he joins me. And then now the church starts picking up. Abantu bayangena. Hi, people come in. Now other people came behind. So I'm gonna sing Yoma just a little bit forward because now it's right. So people are passing by. While I'm standing, Kundluli first lead. Very short. Beautiful. She passes past. She walks past and then she goes stand there. I'm like, hey yo, this is her. While I'm there, I lost my mind. Have you ever controlled yourself, Umil? In my head, yo, I was break dancing, bro. I was screaming. And for my life. Now when I pick, like, cause now president, I'm like, yo. So ngithule for like a second. Now it's people that I saw on videos from video yabo basa Passover yaba 2023 from Ikhalile to the latest one to the music videos. I see two women. The one on my thumbnail. For some reason I didn't even get her name. I don't know why. No, sis feed. Sis feed like uzangazi kama like. So let me just sharp. Hi, now I'm seeing familiar faces, right? I'm like, okay, lo mama. Oh, tell me. This was the song I think Besi cool. It sounds muffled because I took my phone and I put it inside of my pocket. Reason being, Mina, I am not those people with Mangse Sontweni. I just never did that. So many songs were sung and I didn't take nothing because I just wanted to enjoy, right? Now, the way it crossed into Mbonga, these people ingoma efana nenkosi sihlangene ngathi national anthem. No. I'm not just saying ukuthi a national anthem because it's a song that don't come as a The professionality behind singing ingoma efana neNkosi Sihlangene, you must be out of your mind. These people sang iNkosi Sihlangene ngathi ukuyabona iNkosi Sihlangene, it's a song that you sing makushawa praise and worship, right? Where it does not have a structure. That's one of the songs that has no structure. These people sang it. They sang it the same way bacula amabutho. Tell me, bass leader, first party, alto, backup, tenor, bass, sfuto. Hey. There was a time where I kept quiet. I'm standing there. I'm trying to soak all of this in, bruh. So people are singing. Oh my God. Sing. Listen, guys. Sing. Hey. And I'm just chilling there. And I'm like, I could not stop smiling. Right? And I'm not going to call it because I forget people's name. Because he looks like him. He was standing this side of me right now. They were tired because they were doing, I don't know, corner on the Saturday corner, right? He's this side of me. He's on my right hand side. That's on my left hand side. And then behind me there's a tall guy, Ushaka. His name is Shaka Zulu. Tall, Shanga Kolite. Ushaga shocked me. Upuchaga shocked me. Upuchaga was so excited to see me. He's like, yo, and right? And then Uputi, he recognized me. So he greets me and I greet him. Oh, before we get there, like you're told, before we get there, singing dressing. I saw him fit. When I get that video, I post. While I'm there, Sadresa, presiding recognizes me, right? So in his head, it's like, I know this man, but where, I don't know. I am Kaul. I'll tell me. Yeah. I'll tell you presiding. Yeah. I almost screamed. When this man, right? Hey. And then he takes out his hand and then he goes, I'm like, and the grip is firm, by the way, and he's a bit taller than me. Listen, I did this, but man, I could not do this because man, I had to put this kind on the other hand, on my left hand. Hi, Uncle presiding. I'll tell me. I felt like I was touched by God. Guys! Oh. You see this album, ne? I'm not trying to promote anything, right? Album Believers. Ne? This album, it put me 2008 or 9. Ne? I was 9 years old. It's still in perfect condition. This man, this man, Lobabal. This man knows me. You gotta understand. Oh, precise. Look, I've known dude, imagine meeting somebody, your family sing. Sharp! Singing. I get 100 across. How I mean, was across proper. And it's been what, a year and a half. Right, church, right? Yeah, Andra across. Kuyahanjwa into kudlala. Hey, Yimlo. Why Lungzungez? Right? So I was outside and then I came inside. Why Lungzungeza? Right? Minamang Zungeza, I look at the person in front of the person who's in front of me. I looked to my right. When I looked to my right, presiding ula uyazungeza. In my head, I'm like, yo. He said dressing. No presiding. I'm losing. Listen, I am losing it. Now understand? I lost a step. So at the time I lost it because I looked at him, and in my head I was like, you. I lost a step. I'm like, and I'm like, this is him. Ngitresa no presiding. Like ngitresa naye awujam. This man is here. Kuthiwa mkhalanga. Listen. Mina umkhalanga ngikwazi ukushaya outward. Inward uyangihlula. Right? So mangithi outward, it means I can do it for a prolonged time if we are turning with our left foot. But if we are coming in with our right foot, because left takes you out, right takes you in. I was like, nah, this is it for me. Oh, ngasiphumela kahle into zomhlophe ngazimela lapha. Ngababukela labantu badress baya hey. Ncane lo. Sithi silapho. Kenza whatever. Oh yes. Mase silapho culwe phi ingoma, but this song. Now, mind you, ifoni isepokotweni. Angiyikhipanga ngayibamba so. Ngifake epokotweni. Because now I'm nyafutha and I'm trying to enjoy this. Understand? They sang this song and I was like, I don't really want to because I want to enjoy the moment. But I was like, you know what? People won't believe me. That's cool. Mind you, this type of songs are my favorite. Listen, I lost it. Guys, I don't know Uguchi Bengi hyped. You're like joking, bro. Now, while I'm there, man pume dressing. Uming up. Put Felix, Felix man. Uming up, right? I greet him nicely, sharp. Would you appeal it that man? It's good to see you, sharp. And then he passes and then he goes that side. And then while I'm standing singing this song, Nyafuta, right? I hear a tap on my back, right? Now when I hear a tap, I jig it this way because I'm like, Lomutong Biza is definitely not this side. So he taps me. I look this side. I do this. And then this man, Puchak was so excited to see me. Yo! Like, yo, yeah, he to go. How, and then he's tall. I don't know who he was telling from Kubom. Hey, Alto. Guys, why did I not say Alto? I'll tell you, across Ngati, everyone has a degree of everyone can sing across. Mangit everyone. There's a guy I'm a pangambing footer, and at some point he stopped footer what ula. In my head, I'm like, yo, Manga footer, there's the other guy Omengapa, Ofutayo Naye. He can sing. I'm like, what on earth is going on here? I don't know Uguchi Upuchaka Kumangoban from that side. He's telling somebody, he's like, nah, and you know, I think because I think Trinilo, right? So he does this. Now, mind you, some people are tall. I don't know who that was. And then and then the lady came and it's like, oh, young Yambona, but I'm like, I'm not sure if it's him. Sapila. Sharp, continue your session. Right now, listen. Oh Oh, that man has a beautiful voice. That man has a beautiful voice. As in Minangas, as across I don't know. You would swear with the host auditions. I don't think but that's no more. Mm-mm. Cool. And then session goes on, and then they start preaching. Yabona kakhulunywa kunomama. She's big eyes, bro. Makakhuluma na avela avula amehlo so la mama ngithi this one is talking to me. I'll tell me, I've never seen such a well-oiled and well-organized and well-rounded church in Cross. I'll tell you, I understand. That lady spoke. La mama ukhulumile. Ay fika ubaba na. Walbe ubaba ungiqede makathi kunini nishunywa yezo. Azazi izinto ofuneka iself. Athi mina solo ngishumayeza abantu nami ngashunywa awukhathali ukushunywa yezo. Njalo nje awukuzibheka ngathi daya. Fika omunye ubhuti baba. And I was beg me, hey, this guy shook the church, bro. Shook it. Shook it. He said, you find people in church, but they're not there, but they are there. Because there is no, what is it? There is no honestly in God. Mara, sit you are praising God. I'm like, damn. Look. Ngisachilile ngisathi angena presiding. Presiding said, you know this thing? He said something I've been saying for so long. He said the reason why kuna competition engaka something it's because people are not complete. And if we are complete, you won't compete. I was like, man, preach. I was like, my dog. I sharp with my appointments and everything. Now in Dabia, so who Felix knows good I love Amaboot. I told Magatula they wake come. Hey dog, I look at him for a second. I think I'm bigger parts. When he says wake come, some people are like, Danton, and like, okay. I was gonna mind you, Pella. Amabuto they sang it for a while and I didn't record, but then I was like, Lang for keep your phone. Listen. Yabuza ushaga bafethu. Shaka ayeye. Tell me why these people sounded like they were in the studio. My boy, listen, dude, studio listen, bruh, listen, man. I was standing here, right? The first no mama first part, no back, nah. From where I was standing, they were directly in front of me, right? Ushaga ula emfawam, tall, bruh. Understand? Ibasi, it's here. Nah, itena, nine up. You understand? Alto ile. Not even that far. I'll tell me, I felt like I was in a damn studio. These people, the Weber's on a corner on the song, on the actual song. That's how they, oh my God. That's how they sound like in person. That's why I need to, when I recorded for the first, I don't know what made me say just, I didn't want to because I was, at that point because I'm like, wow. I'm like, hey, yo, how on earth do these people sound like that? These people, Aziloqunywa ingqondo ne abantu bagcina bathi ngiyahlanya. I'll tell me, they sound the exact oh God. Dude, dude, I mean, I don't know. Ay. Hi. After that, they had a special introduction about visitors, right? People were visiting. Dude, when I say I'm shy, I didn't understand. I am not scared of the stage, but I'm not that person. I don't do that. I don't. That's me. Ngisemuva. I'm like no. Ongifunayo uzongibona after. Oh, kanti ubhuti uzotshela umama u-first lady angibulisi angibona isekithari uyangangibonanga nix, she didn't see me. I don't know if she did. So batshela ubhuti oyi-MC, and he's like bazalwane, hey cishe ngakhohlwa besocela uJupiter. I was like, Jupiter? I was like, nah, dog. So when he said that, other people, because I feel like people watch it throughout, right? When I came for people say, oh, yeah, no shy, ham. I stand there, they're like, I'm like, so I greet first. And then he says to me, have a word or two. I greet everybody. Presiding. And then presiding at him. Man, recognize about good from where? I don't know. No mama. Sharp. And listen, I gave them their flowers. I said, if it wasn't for his supporting it all, not only just from Ikros, but if it wasn't also for them as well, I wouldn't be standing there. I wouldn't have been known. Guys, channel ibambe 3 months on Monday. I wasn't expecting any of this. I wasn't expecting to get this type of reviews from anything. That is why I am not going to say izinto unless things are confirmed. I kept quiet about it until it happened. Then I was like, okay, cool. When it happens, I'll talk about it after. Right? I was like, I am so grateful for the opportunity. Now, mind you, see, owe first partner weback. Bangibhekile amahloni angenza busy. Ngibhekele yabo. And these people are looking at me. I'm like, oh my God. Hi, ngikhulube. After church, that's where everything went down. It went down. Hey, hi, hey, just when I'm like, hey, yo, you people actually know me. Like, I was shocked. Ne? I wasn't expecting that. Nothing was next. Nothing. Guys, not understanding this, ne? Yes, I am part of. Yes, I'm in front of your screen half of the time, and yes, I'm always reacting and I'm always dancing and then. But for some reason, it never clocks in our head as content creators or to people know us. It never. For me, it just doesn't. It doesn't. So when people say they love my work, I look at them and I'm like, you know me. Ngihlangane ke. Msiye ke sikhulume. People take pictures. People are just they loving it. Hey, mfanami. Hey. And I met a relative of mine also across, but I think she's married somewhere. So I told her who I was. And she was like, wait, what? Now I could not get her numbers. Ngicela ucele lapho azokunikeza. I can't drop my numbers here. Mara azokunikeza. Ugogo. I tell her who, because she started ngokithakazela. I'm lost. I'm like, so now mind you, as ugama mina ngazlawa a few from Eswatini. So she asked me, I tell her where I'm from. She's like, no way. She's like, no way. And apparently the tall guy, Ayushaga, the other tall, Kunobabo Mute, he knows my dad. Right? He knows my dad. Because my dad is like, oh, Span Bani, and it's like, I know him. I'm like, so I think when I was telling Ukoko who I was, he was like, wait, what? Hi, compliments left, right, and center. Yo, there was a moment I almost cried because I was like, I started this channel because I said I love Isayon. Right? I mean, I come from a long line of fundis. Listen, funda no fundisa Bible no kula ngihlulekile. But I was like, there is other stuff that I can do. Take that gift against Zion. I besafika ke usisi and then kuba usisi fikile. Na ngikhuluma nolo munye usisi, right? We nabona mase ngiphambanisile manje. I'm sure who does what. But I think low shy first part and then I think usisi fikile uyabheka or vice versa. Either or. Ngithi kusisi fikile. Ngithi sifikile. Cause ngikhuluma nalo munye ngithi yazi umuntu bekangilwisa cause ngiphambanise wena no but wena ufikile ngithi and then as ngithi kuye ma khona umuntu ongilwisile ku TikTok. Hayi no ungibambe nge-watching on TikTok. He calls the guy. So the guy ubhutwakhe. He calls him. He picks up. I'm like, hey bhuti. I'm like, hey man, sorry man ukuthi bengikhuluma ngayo sisifikile. Oh sisifikile ibheka. Ngithi bengikhuluma ngayo sisifikile but the video was paused on the other sister, the other lady, right? He's like, yeah. Hey, ngizokugama mina usisiwami lo. I'm like, yo. And they were like, she looks, listen, I'm standing here, she's standing here. The entire time, I'm starstruck, right? I'm starstruck because these people are in front of me. She's talking, and it takes me a second to reply because I'm like, yeah, boss, I school mestre. Mangsuka lapho, first lady. First lady, she's like, ngiyabonga mfana, I'm so happy that I've met you. In my head, I'm like, you happy you met me? Lady, do you know who you is? I'm like, guys, I'm like, this is you. I never thought I was gonna meet you guys. I thought you guys are gonna die or I'm gonna die without meeting you. You understand? These people bengikhula ngibabuka the TV show. So I never thought some years later ngizohlangana nawe. She meets me, I meet her, I'm more happy. She's happy, she sees I'm like, bruh. Fine. Felix. Angibize ngesakazelo sami. Atwembokani. I looked at the bruh. I'm like, and then he starts speaking. Umjita umswati. Now I don't even know his name and saying Uguti why I don't know. To show you guys Uguti. I was as happy as they were seeing me seeing them. That's when I got this. That's when I got this. I was like, this is proper. I was like, this is amazing. Listen, guys. Yabona le fellowship engibuya kuyo has to be one of the best I've ever. And on top of that, let me not spoil, let me not say anything. So when I'm not gonna say anything. And Uput Musa, this entire time, he's happy that I'm there. And all I have to say is this: is that uh, ngicela nazi one thing, guys. This platform is for everyone. I don't say, hey, Usman, no, I don't have time for that. I am doing this because this is my contribution to the industry as a Zayo. Now that you are involved into the media world, I want to make it easier for people. There's a lady usisibuyisa wathi kimi mina mangifuna ingoma ngiza ku channel yakho. That is crazy. So I'm like, there are also ideas, there are also things that I want to do, especially in Zayo, that I'm like, I need to build this platform so that I can do some of these things, so that we can introduce new things. And I'm not gonna say what it is yet, but you will sing emotion. I don't put myself on a higher pedestal. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for everyone. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for a cross, if it wasn't for a living, if it wasn't for a blessing, a believers, ikhala abangcwele, umthombo, true worshippers, um what's this, what's the other church, god worshippers, inyoni, iriver, uh I'm so sorry guys for forgetting, Joba Ministries, Multivision, God's Vision, Bright, Ecover. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. Grace of the list goes on and on and on. And I keep telling people, it's like, you got when you guys find out my the lineage, most people will be shocked. Ukuthi, "Kanti kuso?" I'm like, yeah. Anyway, make sure, guys, make sure to get these, and do follow me on TikTok. I will drop a video as soon as I get full details as to how you can get these. This is a USB of the new album, a cross Unguthixo Nomusa. It's a beautiful album, and I will be dropping a reacting to the entire album. There's only two songs that I might not react to because I need seswalaleli. Amabutho no Siyeka Konke. Those are the songs that I might skip. 8 minutes, yo. It's gonna be nice, mas. So I will drop a reaction very soon. Le, most definitely. And look, man, I'm grateful, Nyabonga to cross. Thank you for that. And definitely, we are still going to fellowship more, and even to other churches as well. Ngisazoya, right? That's why I don't want to say anything. Nizobona ngami, right? And trust me, we are building this even for the future generation. And I'm also loving how everything is turning into media now. People take social media seriously. Yabo, because njengoba ngisho ukuthi when I started this platform, basically now it's the right time to say it. Bentshela babncane wami, babncane, you need to socialize into that. You need to take everything that you do and you put it on the socials. I don't know why angayithembi social media. I don't know why. Kwazi. So ngaqala the channel there to say, to show him ukuthi, look, iZion is in demand right now. The channel yakho for your church. There's so many things you can do there. There's so many ways. And he never listened to me. From Asad Chopama CD back when I was still a teenager, I've been singing the same song. My guy, Kala a YouTube channel. Just start it. You will be amazed. He never took me serious. He was like, I'm like, don't wait for other people. You create your own. Right now, churches have their own. Inyoni has their own. The Blessing has their own. The Believers has their own. What else? Maning man amanye amabandla. Maning, yeah, maning. I just forget the names, but I know definitely those three. When I want something, we have a channel straight. They have their own. I'm like, guys, I encourage you to start your own YouTube channel. Color your own social media platform. We live in a time where things are easily accessible. If you don't know, whether you come to my Instagram or my TikTok, I don't care. DM me, nginsize. Let me help you guys understand the whole social media thing. It's not that difficult. The only thing in JA is stress is editing my video. But outside from that, talk to us, Tina, the younger generation, because we understand how the media works. Talk to us and let us help you guys. I'm willing to help. I'm willing to say, let me show you. Because I said something to first lady about this, and she was like, "What?" I was like, "Yeah." She was shocked when I said that. I was like, "Is that's possible?" I'm like, "It is possible." That's what I told them. I won't tell you what I told them, but that's what I told them. She was like, "Oh, okay, now they know." And I even told the guy the same thing. We would know this is for that. But the most important thing, guys, is to have a social media. Just be the one right now. It's easy. Akusafani na back then where you have to go around usogo lokufunana neng only to realize ukuthi lebandla la exist ekaslako. You understand? So therefore, reach out to us. Asibuzeni. Ask for our numbers. Khulumeni sinisize. Ask sizonisiza. Mina ke I'm willing. Angithola. So, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, I don't know what you're doing. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like my videos. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. So, hey, again, don't forget to go and crop you this. This is a beautiful album. This album is beautiful. Beautiful. And the stories that I've heard, I will share them later on. So, yo, in the favorite way of the triple chat. Adios.